Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. First derivative of number 1, this is about the constant. So if we do first derivative, you got about 0. Next, because we don't have number 4, that's about 2 and number 2. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. This one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. And we have u to the power of 7 over 7. So we change n equals to number 6. That's why we have 6 plus 1 and we have 7. 7 and number 4, we have 28. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.